Good afternoon. Video message for Duncan. Duncan, hello sir. Well, thank you for buying another saw, and thank you for the really kind feedback as well on the Rex and the Homelight 500 and the Steel 051. You've had loads of saws. I really appreciate it. It's really kind feedback. And okay, so I'm pleased you like the Solo Rex. It's such a beautiful saw, isn't it? So I don't know if you're cutting with her or if it's just for display. I never cut with her, but just a gorgeous creature. And this again is another saw I've never cut with. And I appreciate you haven't seen a video of her either, so I'll show her running. And so there's a few saws I have which are they worrying? They're not worrying or concerning, not in terms of the saw, but in starting them, because they're almost frightening prospects because they're so aggressive. And this girl is one of those. So I'm going to put her on a piece of line so I can just get a good grip on her. Oh. Obviously 92 cc's, make sure the switch is off, has fantastic compression, frightening compression. So every time I seem to start her, she seems to hurt my hands. So let's see how she is today. This is, I would say, West Germany at their absolute finest. This saw, all mag alloy silencer, double felling spikes, this beautiful patina on the bar, nominal 21-inch solid nose, composite fuel tank. So unlike the Rex, the chain roller can be activated without depressing the throttle. That was something they removed. Okay, choke, lever on the side, bit of choke, bit of throttle lock, and see if we can start her without injury. Choke. Duncan, I hope you love the saw. She's got that ridiculously low thumping idle with that massive piston, and but I can't stress enough how many times when I pull this over, God, how many times she just is so aggressive. Oh. Duncan, many thanks again, and I hope you love the saw. Sorry for the delay. I've only got back in the early hours this morning from work, and I shall get her packed this evening and get her sent off to you. And I hope you have many more deals to come. Bye for now.